How are you?
So I'm Isabel Parker, and I'm the Executive Director of the Digital Legal Exchange. Well, I'm very excited to be joining on the first day. I'll be part of a panel talking about DIY tools for clients. So we'll be talking about product development to serve clients better. Well, I'm excited because I think I'm going to learn something new. I would characterize Legal Innovators as a very thoughtful conference. So you get to make lots of connections and network, which is great, but you also have enough time to really engage with the content. The sessions are long enough to allow ideas to develop and for a bit of provocation. So I'm excited about taking home something really new and putting it into practice with my team when I get back. Well, I think anyone that is looking for a sort of 360-degree view of the legal ecosystem should come and join, because historically, at least, there's always been a really good representation of corporate legal departments at Legal Innovators. And that's really critical because often these events can become very self-referential, with all the innovators sort of talking to each other, congratulating each other and forgetting about the client voice. So I think if you're looking to keep client centricity right at the centre of what you're doing, Legal Innovators is the place to be.